Hey, what's up guys? Today I will explain you why there are three different signatures on the euro bill. So first, the signature you can see here is the signature of the president of the European Central Bank, and so this is the first generation bill here, and this is the signature of Wim Duesenberg, who was the European Central Bank president until 2003, and here's the second generation, and this is a signature of Jean-Claude Trichet, which was president from 2003 until 2011. And the first time I saw this signature, I thought that was a fake bill because this looks like a 5 here, and I thought it was a fake because I saw this on a 5 euro bill and I thought it was a cheap fake. Yes. Here we see the third generation, the actual signature of Mario Draghi, which is president of the European Central Bank since 2011. And yes, that's the reason why there are different signatures. So you often see this signature because this is the actual signature of the president of the central bank, and this one is also very often in circulation, and this one you actually didn't see because the bill is then older than 10 years. So that was it. If you have any questions about this, let me know, and subscribe for more videos and follow my Facebook page.